Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Ismunarti. Here I will explain a little about the special examination COVID-19. Coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. This disease due to viral infection is called COVID-19. The coronavirus can cause minor disorder of the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and death. This virus can attack anyone. Coronavirus infection is called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. In order to diagnose COVID-19, there are two types of examination that can be done. The first is the swab test or RT-PCR. The second is a rapid test or serological test. Both have different procedure and mechanism for determining test result for diagnosis. According to the World Health Organization, a swab test using the polymerase chain reaction or PCR method is more recommended for the diagnosis of COVID-19. However, rapid tests also have an important role in early detection of transmission of the coronavirus in the community. For early detection, the team in charge of dealing with COVID-19 can determine the next step to prevent wider transmission. The first is the swab test or RT-PCR. RT-PCR examination is an examination performed to detect viral genetic material. PCR examination can use nasopharyngeal swab sample and oropharyngeal swab. The tool uses a special swab that is used for PCR examination and is then inserted into a container tube. The PCR method consists of several steps, namely the process of releasing and multiplying viral genetic material so that it can be detected by means of the tool. This examination is carried out in a laboratory room and PCR equipment in accordance with biosafety level to standard. Factors that affect PCR examination include the sampling factor, sample transport, and the processing of the sample. For the process of working on samples until the results are released, it can take quite a long time compared to other laboratory tests. The second is a rapid test or serological test. The rapid test play a more role as an initial screening method for positive cases of COVID-19. The result of the rapid test cannot be used as support for the diagnosis of COVID-19 patients, because the serological examination only aims to see whether or not the immune system operates in response to the entry of the virus. This virus is not always SARS-CoV-2 or the cause of COVID-19. The timing of the examination also affects the result of the rapid test. It could be that there has been no response from the immune system because the coronavirus has just entered. Therefore, a positive or reactive rapid test result does not always indicate a person who has tested positive for corona. We take repeat tests to swab tests to make a diagnosis. Even so, people with positive rapid test result can be screened and isolated as a precaution for the transmission of COVID-19 while waiting for a sense of diagnosis. The rapid test procedure is simple and shorter than the swab test. The cost is also cheaper. The most common way is to take a blood sample from the fingertip. The sample is then examined using a rapid test to see the immune system. If an immune or reactive system response is found, there is a potential for coronavirus infection, vice versa. This result can be known within minutes to hours of sampling. From the explanation above, point of difference between RT-PCR and rapid test can be drawn regarding methods, sample taken, leg of examination to result, cause, and diagnosis of COVID-19. That's all. More or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.